Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can transfer cryptos from Coinbase to your Binance account. So I'm going to be showing you step-by-step procedure. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So in order to transfer cryptos from Coinbase to your Binance account, logged into your Coinbase account. Once you're logged into your Coinbase account, right on top you'll be able to see an option as accounts. Click on it. As you click on account, next interface you need to select the asset that you want to transfer. And once you're done selecting the asset, click on send, which will be under it. After you click on send, next interface you need to paste in the wallet address. So for that you need to open up your Binance application or logged into your Binance account. So once you're logged into your Binance account, right on top you'll be able to see an option as funds. You need to click on it. As soon as you click on funds, a drop down menu appears, and from there you need to click on deposit withdraw. Next you'll redirect to the page where you need to select the cryptocurrency that you want to receive. As soon as you select the cryptocurrency, right in center you'll be able to see the wallet address as well as the QR code. So select either one of these options. Head back to your Coinbase account once again. Right over here you need to enter in the recipient detail. That includes pasting the wallet address that you recently copied, and you need to enter in the amount that you want to transfer, and you can also add a description to it, and then click on continue. As you click on continue, for the confirmation you'll need to double check all of the information provided, and if you're sure about it, click on confirm, and then you've transferred cryptos from your Coinbase to your Binance account. So within a couple of hours later, or within 24 hours, you'll be able to get notified that you've successfully received cryptos from Coinbase on your Binance account. So that is how you can transfer cryptos from Coinbase to your Binance account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.